Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off camera video stabilization on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the camera app, and in here tap on the settings icon at the top corner. Next, in camera settings, we scroll down to the videos section and then tap on video stabilization. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now, camera video stabilization is a technology or feature implemented in digital cameras and smartphones such as the Galaxy S23 to reduce shakiness and motion blur in recorded videos. It aims to produce smoother, steadier, and more professional looking video footage, even in situations where the camera or the photographer is in motion. So if you want to have the best video footage, turn this on, then go back to your video and you can start to record. So even when we are moving, it should help to stabilize your video and the shakiness of your footage. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.